See about the conditional formatting. For this, I have here a seller column, text that contains is greater than, is less than, and bar of data. So each type of these columns we will do. In this one, we will graph some specific sector. Here, a higher reference number.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
Here, a lower one, and here, bar of data. So, let's go. First, I will select the data matrix that I want to do. So I come here in the page, and I put the text that contains. Wait, what does it contain? In this case, I want all the text that contains sales and marketing to be painted red. It was painted red. Here, I will replace it with sales and marketing, so you can see it was already painted red. Let's do it again. Conditional formatting. Now I will graph another one. All that contains finance. Here, I want it to be painted green. It was painted green. Now let's do is greater than. So I selected my data matrix. So I will put is greater than. So here I want it to graph all that are greater than 150. So here it was graphed. Greater, greater, greater. Now I will put 149. It will not be graphed. Let's do it again. Paint this color. Put 149. It will not be. I can also change it to less. Now I will change it to 78. All were graphed. This serves for an immediate analysis. Let's say that I have a quota that I have to dispatch. I want all from 197 to be graphed. I can even customize if I want. I can do this customization. Come here and paint it purple. OK button and OK. It will already graph as it performs. Now here is less than. And I will put all that are less than 35. I wanted to paint this color. Let's see what was. It is less than. All that are less than 63. Do not enter all were graphed. Here then the database. I can choose. When passing the mouse over, it is already changing. It's pretty cool. I will select this blue. And it always follows the highest value. For example, the highest value in this case is 89. But now, this 40 here, I will change to 165. You can see that it has already changed according to this data. Now if I put this one here, 169, it goes to this one. So I can make this change. Also with other colors, I can put this gradient or solid color. For example, if I want to leave it like this, I can already work 89, I can put like this 40. Here, 120. And so on, changing as the data update,